Good morning, lovers. I am driving and doing my video. Sorry, Kim. I don't mean to do this, but it's like the best time that I have to think and to speak to my lovely people. So I apologize deeply. I am doing my morning routine, and I just got to thinking that I haven't really taken the time to study these two businesses that I am currently working with. So I'm taking the day today to do my Plunder University and get on my 31 back-end pages and just learn. I need to learn. I need to get my parties up on Facebook, and I need to show everyone the damn sales because they're out of control, crazy great right now, because we're moving into spring, people. It's 63 degrees in South Carolina right now. It's rainy, but it's 63 degrees. Spring's coming. Spring's a-springin'. So I need to get these winter and fall things that are still so adorable and can still work for spring, but they're so cheap. There's like 70% discounts and things that just are flying off the wall. Valentine's Day is coming up, so it is time to get personalized for your wives and your girlfriends and your mamas, and I'm kidding. Anyway, hit me up. Always on Facebook, Instagram. Text me if you have my number. If you don't, message me and I'll give it to you. I want to talk to you guys about what I'm doing because I feel amazing every day. And last night I was supposed to do a live video. I didn't because I wasn't feeling great. And I have to remember that not every day I'm going to feel 100%, but I still need to follow up and do what I need to do. But also, I got a little anxious because I didn't know everything I probably should at this rate about my 31 products to do that video. So I asked my sponsor, my uplink, my leader, my friend, Angela, to do a live video for me tonight. So I'm going to watch her do a live video, which is going to be awesome. And then I'm going to go live, of course, this weekend. I'm, of course, going to make random crazy videos like this one. And I am, yes, still smoking, but me and my mom are quitting. We are quitting. And so we are on our last pack, and we have our patches and our lozenges. And I got to be done with this because I'm never going to do some sort of marathon or anything, smoking at all. So anyway, love you guys. Just wanted to reach out and say good morning and happy Friday. Let's have a great weekend. How about everybody finishes up their Friday strong like I'm gonna do? Put in everything you can today so that when you get to work on Monday or tomorrow, whatever your work schedule might be, because if you work tomorrow, that means you work in retail, which means it's Saturday and you're going to be busy. So take today, bust your ass, get through your tasks, contact your customers, contact your family, your friends, your children's parents, whoever you can, and talk to them about anything that's going on in your life. Maybe you're a new real estate agent. Maybe you have taken on a new journey with direct sales. Maybe you're opening your own business to consult people on how to run their business. Maybe you're a car salesman, which I was for a long time. And today is the day to get out there, contact your customers, contact them, because there's no way they're coming in tomorrow if they don't hear your voice or see your text message or see your email today. There's no way. Love you guys. Stay positive, stay motivated.